to talk about the wrist trap. I'm not too sure. So one thing about the person in your garden really needs posture. First thing he's gonna want to do is exactly that right there. Okay. I have two options. Okay, so here he is strongest because his posture consists of a pyramid. 1, 2, 3. Okay. He's strongest if I pull him in, he punches here. He's weakest perpendicular to either line, and I pull him that way. Okay, he postures back up. All right. Now, imagine if I denied him the opportunity to even grab right here, knowing he's gonna want to grab right here. So we start, and I'm just gonna block right here. Okay, I'm just gonna block him right here. Where's he gonna grab? Still posture's broken now. Still broken. Okay. So the point is that deny them the opportunity to block. Now, the other way, deny them the opportunity to make that post. The other way is like this. Okay. So now, where's he gonna go? And I'm still breaking his posture, controlling his head. What's he gonna do now? He's got to put my collars together. Go ahead. Try to pull my collars together. I don't have to let him, and keep breaking his posture with my hands and so forth. Okay, as he's posturing up right here, okay, we're here. I'm gonna take this lapel, wrap it over, under, and lock it. Break his posture here, scoot out, foot on the hip, right knee in his shoulder, pulling him in. Okay, this is locked. David, put your hand out. Pulling right from my lapel right here. Okay? From here, and then triangle. It's really tight on the shoulder because the arm gets stuck right here. This is the wrist trap. The key is I can't let him, this can't be loose like anything, even especially like with the arm trap. The arm trap exit is out here. For him, if I'm not tight, he can start unwinding it here. A little bit, even though I still have it here. Okay. But he's that much closer to unwinding. Okay. So I have to keep pressure on his wrist, stretch him out a bit here. Pull him in, get that angle. This is going to be pressure on the shoulder here as I finish. Grab his head, and I still have this because he can't pull himself out. If he starts pushing back, he locks himself in an arm. Okay? So the way we do this is like so. When you kind of create this sense of urgency for him to have to choose between at least two situations, posture or posting and so forth, they kind of, the other person can get fixated on one kind of position here. Okay, so as we're here, we start, and as I'm, he's kind of fixated here. Okay, so as I'm pulling him in, I begin to wrap it here. Okay, and wrap it here. The way that you need to do this is to have enough slack with your lapel. Okay, so as he's posting, I crunch pull him in. I'm going to take with my left hand to my right, and I'm wrapping his wrist. Go under, go this way, and then I twist and lock right here. From here, I'm going to pull his posture so I can push it away. And I want to be squared up right here. Then I'll ask him, David, pull your right hand. And it pulls on my collar. My feet are in his hips. I don't want to do this. Like this doesn't do me any good. Okay? Over here, he pulls. Pull. Okay? Perfect. From here, I'm going to use this to pull, turn on my left side, and then I'm going to bring this up and over, get that angle right here, and pull him in. And then with my left leg over, as my toes curl, and this left foot makes a C Reaching my left knee to my right leg. Okay? Karen, here. You have to make sure you have enough lapel right here. Wrapping the wrist here. Yeah. Let me get here. What was that? Wrist lock. Yeah.
I got stuck there.
What do you know? Alright. So you have a wrist chop, wrist lock. Good. Call this the Gregorian handcuff. You know why? Because I can. Wrap the wrist, come under tight. Over here, like this. I'm gonna lock this to my chest right here, okay? Pressure down. When this way here, push him away, turn on my side, get here. Okay. If his left hand is in my way, push that shoulder, pull him in, get under his over here, and then okay. Triangles. This arm is bent here. It's even better. And you have triangle off the wrist strap. All right. Pull your hand up. Triangle, not a triangle. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. You're wrapping over from the left, under.